Throughout our Thursday afternoon and now into the evening hours, we've had a lot of thick cloud cover across the region. We started off the day with some pockets of heavy rain moving through the area, with some spots getting in excess of a half an inch, but it has been mainly dry over the past few hours. Stepping outside right now, there's the view from our Savannah camera overlooking downtown. A pretty interesting looking view. At times there are some peaks of sunshine in between the clouds there, so that did help our temperatures to warm into the lower to even middle 80s for most of us. 83 degrees and mostly cloudy at the airport. A north wind 10 miles per hour is bringing in some slightly drier air. That's part of the reason why, despite having the cloud cover, the afternoon has been mainly dry. Vipercast estimating over the last 12 hours, a few spots getting over a half an inch of rain, especially a swath between Long County and into coastal Liberty County getting the most rain earlier today. And if you missed out on the heavier rain throughout this morning, you have another opportunity for that going into the day tomorrow. Viper radar mainly clear, just as we were talking about with the cloud cover around. Conditions have been mainly dry. We've had a few showers moving through the low country at times, quickly pushing off of the coast, but not before dropping a few big raindrops along our coastal communities. Same thing for coastal Bryan and Liberty County over the last couple of hours. Do have a frontal boundary that's draped across the region. This was very slow moving, high pressure to the north, helping to bring in that drier air at the immediate surface, but more moisture is surging in from the west, along with an area of low pressure at the surface along the northern Gulf Coast. This is what will bring higher rain chances for Friday and especially into Saturday, and even deeper moisture is moving in from the Pacific Ocean, actually, as we take a look at the water vapor imagery, which shows us the moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. The subtropical jet stream rather active, bringing that moisture in across the plains and into the southeastern Georgia and into the low country of South Carolina. So that means high rain chances are expected for tomorrow and into Saturday. Vipercast shows that we will have widespread light to moderate rain by lunchtime, with it becoming a little bit more numerous, a bit more widespread going into the afternoon and into the evening hours. And at times we will have some pockets of some heavier rain setting up where we do have the yellows on the map, but drying out going into very early Saturday morning during those overnight hours. But as we head past sunrise, that heavier rain will start to set up into middle Georgia and will begin to approach us as we get toward lunchtime, with heavier rain setting up across the region Saturday afternoon and into the evening hours. It's really not going to be until the later evening when we will start to dry out again, with those winds shifting out of the north, but staying mainly cloudy as we head into Saturday night and into early Sunday. Rainfall totals look to be pretty substantial compared to what we have been experiencing. In excess of 2 inches of rain possible for a large swath of the area, so definitely beneficial, meaningful soaking rain that will help us out with the drought condition. The latest update from the National Weather Service and Climate Prediction Center indicate that the exceptional drought, that D4, has spread over more of the area. So with that heavy rain in the forecast, that will help to chip away at that little by little. For tonight, 61 and mostly cloudy with passing showers possible. For tomorrow, scattered showers and mild during those afternoon hours. It will be breezy at times for the boaters. Keep an eye on the sky with those showers and maybe a few thunderstorms moving through. Northeast wind 10 to 15 knots expected during the day. So the highest rain chances expected for our Saturday, 60s for high temperatures as a result. So a lot of rain on the way, mainly dry for our Sunday, with the exception of the very early morning hours. High pressure builds in for the early part of next week, drying us out, but another chance for rain moves in by Thursday with a frontal boundary.
All right, thanks, Scott, so much.